Hi girls, I want to share something that could have gone really wrong with me. I was reached out by this guy named Veer on WhatsApp to connect for a collaboration for a very renowned skincare brand. We got on a call and उसने मुझसे normal questions पूछे like if I'm freelancing, if I have a marketing agency tie up, if I have a manager, etc. because my profile has been shortlisted by the brand. इसके बाद ही सेंट मी अ गूगल फोटोज पार्टनर शेयरिंग इनवाइट टू बी एबल टू अपलोड कंटेंट देयर एंड मुझे लगा ये iOS की शेयर्ड एल्बम की तरह है, सो आई एक्सेप्टेड द इनविटेशन. ही आल्सो आस्क्ड मी टू टर्न माय गूगल बैकअप ऑन so that the information gets uploaded on cloud and they can access it. मैंने ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं, मैंने बैकअप ऑन कर दिया, बट आई शॉर्टली टर्न्ड इट ऑफ बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट अ डुप्लीकेट ऑफ माय गैलरी टू गेट क्रिएटेड लिमिटेड स्टोरेज इशू. Today he called me again to fill a form for the customized products and he asked me details on my skin type, hair type, acne issues, skin dullness issues, etc. फिर उसने कहा कि अपने फोन में कुछ फोटोज लेके रखो for the online consultation, which were your arms, underarms, legs. This is when it got weird when he said click a picture of your inner thighs and your hygiene and intimate area. I said I'm not comfortable doing that क्योंकि गायनिकोलॉजिस्ट एग्जामिनेशंस ऑफलाइन होती है, ऑनलाइन नहीं. मैंने उससे कहा ठीक है, मैंने पिक्चर्स ले लिए एंड मैंने उसे एक झूठा टाइम स्टैम्प दे दिया. उसके बाद आई टोल्ड हिम सेंड मी एन ईमेल कंफर्मेशन अबाउट दिस कोलैबोरेशन एंड उसने कहा कि मैं तो सिर्फ एक मीडिएटर हूँ, द ब्रांड विल सेंड यू अ कंफर्मेशन ईमेल फ्रॉम देयर साइड. दिस इज अगेन वेयर आई सॉ दैट समथिंग इज फिशी. 2 minutes after this call got over, I got an email from Google Photos that all my content can now be accessed with the partner sharing album through the invitation that I had accepted, and I panicked. अगर मैंने वो फोटोज ली होती, those would have directly gone into the gallery of that person. The first thing I did was I turned my backup off. I deleted all the backed up data. I blocked this Gmail account. In the last 24 hours, I took the help of the Indian Army and through Intelligence Bureau, we've gotten to know that although ये नंबर पे कोई sexual harassment के cases नहीं है, but इस इंसान पर financial fraud के cases registered है. Don't even know if this collaboration was real or not. But what I do know is that there are people जो वहाँ बैठे हैं to exploit content creators in the name of sounding authentic. Always understand the collaboration you're getting into. Always have the contact number of the POs. Understand the applications and the invitations and links that are being sent to you. No skincare brand collaboration or doctor will ever ask you to click any sorts of explicit pictures. चाहे वो आपके फोन में रखनी हो, चाहे वो उनको send करने हो. You also need to know that कोई rules and regulations नहीं है which protect content creators. It is only in our hands to stay aware.